The Friday market conundrum, navigating uncertainty amidst mixed signals. Nifty and Sensex had started yesterday's session in the green, but in the second half turned negative and ended in the red. The long and short of yesterday's trading session was that Nifty bears were seen capitalizing on Middle East tensions. Hurting bullish sentiments were also investors' concerns that sticky US inflation may prevent the Federal Reserve from cutting interest rates as much as hoped. Fed Chair Jerome Powell had earlier suggested that it may take longer than expected before they begin cutting rates. Overnight, Infosys ADR shares ended around 2% lower after the IT services company missed revenue estimates for the quarter ended 31st March 2024. Infosys net profit had jumped 30% to 7,969 crore rupees, revenue was up 1.3%. All eyes will now be on fresh batch of corporate India's Q4 results to trickle in from here on. Friday, 19th April, HDFC AMC, Heinz Inc., Geofin, Wipro. Saturday, 20th April, HDFC Bank. Long story short, for a bounce to last at Dalal Street, we need some real positive surprise on inflation, geopolitics or Q4 earnings. Until then, caution should be the buzzword. Global cues are negative. In Thursday's trade, FIIs were aggressive sellers to the tune of Rs 40 to 60 crores. DIIs however bought to the tune of Rs 20 to 86 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to remain risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are suggesting weakening momentum. F&O data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,700 to 22,500 zone. India VIX has shot up towards 13.04 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th April, is at 0.81. Nifty Outlook, another rollercoaster ride on cards. Nifty, CMP to 1996. Support, 21,900 to 21,800. Resistance, 22,100 to 22,200. Range, 21,800 to 22,100. Bias, sideways to bearish. Bank Nifty, CMP 47069. Support, 46,700 to 46,500. Resistance, 47,300 to 47,500. Range, 46,500 to 47,300. Bias, sideways to bearish. GIFT Nifty is treading water in early action, indicating traders will mostly be seen searching for direction. We will spy with one big eye if Nifty bulls can salvage a rough April. President Biden pledged to block the acquisition of the U.S. steel by a Japanese company and proposed tripling tariffs on Chinese steel during a speech to unionized steelworkers. Bajaj Auto posted a 35% year-on-year rise in standalone profit after tax to 1,936 crore rupees, riding on a 29% growth in revenue from operations at 11,485 crore rupees in the fourth quarter of financial year 2023-24. The Q4 results were above Street's expectation. Copper futures are flirting above $4.40 per pound in April, the highest in nearly 2 years. Nickel futures rose above $18,500 to their highest since October 2023, lifted by fears of tighter supply, as the US and UK issued new sanctions on Russian metals. Oil prices continue to trade sluggish at $83.50 a barrel.